Kevin McKenney, retired Superior Court judge. I'm a neutral. I do mediations and arbitrations. I decided to pursue ADR because I had had an extensive experience as a trial attorney and as a judge administering cases or trying cases, seeing the effort, the frustration, the stress, the anxiety that the parties went through. A very important aspect of resolving a case to me through ADR is the parties are resolving their own dispute as opposed to having someone else do it for them. And I think that's really important. What I find most rewarding in mediating cases is helping the parties resolve it, that they're participating in the decision to bring this case to a conclusion, to avoid the stress, the tension, the anxiety, the huge expense. And by helping them get to the point where they can reach an agreement, I think is a huge service to them. When I start the mediation, I want to listen to the parties themselves. I think that's really important for the parties to have the opportunity to explain their side of it, their perspective. Some of the very interesting cases that I've handled are the personalities, the anger, a family dispute where there is a long-standing difficulty that you have to explore and try to sort out what really is driving this case. I've seen cases where, sibling versus sibling, and at the end they end up hugging, shaking hands, and maybe have been able to put aside a long-term problem. I deal with emotional parties by listening to them, trying to determine what's the basis for the emotion. Are they angry with another party? And that takes listening and trying to communicate with them, because if we don't resolve that emotional issue, we very well may not resolve the case itself. So we have to deal with it, and we have to deal with it constructively.